Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ikhra Firdaus. Today is my topic about 10 question about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam family.
Father name,
Abdullah,
mother name,
Amina,
birthplace,
Makkah,
death place,
Medina,
grandfather,
uh,
grandfather name,
Abdul Muttalib,
grandmother name,
Fatima,
date of birth,
Monday 12th Rabiul Awwal,
place of death,
Medina,
daughter of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam,
Hazrat Kulsum, Zainab, Ruqayya, Fatima,
son of our Prophet,
Ibrahim, Qasim, Abdullah.